Hi everyone. So lot of people are asking me that how they can access the customized paper after attending the one-shot class. So it is very simple. The first thing that you have to do is you have to download the eGurukul app on your phone, right? This app has to be downloaded, without which nothing will happen. The moment you're gonna click onto the app, this is a that you're gonna see, and then this window will come, and then you have to click on the test section. Now please remember, you have to click on the test section. The moment you're gonna click on the test section, this screen will open, and then there is a link for QR test, right? QR test. And now you're gonna click onto the QR test. This window will open, and then you're gonna see various customized tests depending on what do you have, physiology, pathology, depending on that. A QR code specific to that test will be shared with you at the end of each one-shot revision, right? Now you have this QR code with you. Now this QR code, what you do is that the moment you're gonna click onto this, you will have two options. First option is you can scan it using a camera, the QR code, or you can save the QR code on your mobile in the photo, and from the gallery you can take it up. And the moment you're gonna click it, here we go, and now you, as you can see here, you have scanned the QR code through the gallery, it has come into the gallery, and your paper is ready. Please make a note of it that for every paper there will be a QR code, and this QR code will be provided to you at the end of one-shot revision. So you have to make sure that you are revising with the one-shot revision. We are there for you to provide you the best possible support in this tough time. I know it's a tough time. We are there to provide you that particular support. Take care, and may God bless you all.